Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how you can declutter your Google Classroom. So let's get started. The first thing you will need to do is click on the Google Apps selection menu, go into Classroom, select that, and it's going to bring you to your Google Classroom. I'm going to refresh and see what's taking it so long. And we're here. We're almost there. It's taking a little longer than usual. So you can click into my I'm going to click into my classroom and basically show you how you can declutter. So I just started this demo classroom, so I don't have a lot of things here. I like my stream page the way it is. It's not that cluttered, and I just started it. It's kind of new, but I will take you to my classwork page, and I'll show you that I have a few different things here. Again, because it's new, it's not a lot of things. And in my previous videos, I did show how you can create these assignments and schedule them and assign them and things like that. So you can feel free to watch my previous videos for those tutorials. So basically, I'm going to hit this green create icon here. And I'm going to, instead of going to assignment, which is going to help me create a new assignment, or selecting any of these menu options, I'm going to select topic. Now, basically, you can give it any name you want. You can organize it by date, by due date, by assigning date, weeks, subject, anything you like. So I'm just going to call it English folder. And I'm going to add it. Once I add it, it brings it here, and it also appears right here at the bottom. So I'm going to click on the three dots that appear here, and I'm going to hit edit. Sorry, the internet is taking a little bit longer. And again, as you can see on the right-hand side menu here in the topic section, it says no topic. Well, right now we can assign it and give it a topic. So we already created a topic. We created the English folder topic, so we don't have to create a new one. We're going to just put it in the English folder and save it. Once you save it, as you can see, it is now in the English folder. And it has been taken away from here in the classwork section. So it just helps to declutter your classwork section and keep things clean if that's how you like your workspace. Because throughout the days, as you keep adding your assignments, it's going to get to be a very long, lengthy list of assignments. So keeping them organized in folders helps the students and yourself stay organized. So I hope that was helpful, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you so much for visiting and viewing. Bye-bye.